make glitter angels. So, hi, we haven't done a real life vlog in ages, but today is very, very special. Today, we get to reveal to our friends' kids that them, Mum and Dad, and me and George are taking them to Disneyland Paris for Halloween. So exciting! I imagine that it's going to be amazing, but I actually have no idea. They might be like, oh, cool. And that'll be it. They're 7 and 12, so I'm really hoping that they're as excited as we are. So I've just found off of the internet this little fairy code, which is perfect because Tinkerbell. So I'm gonna write this out so they can work out exactly what each letter means. Okay, so I finished all of the bits of parchment that I needed to finish for the big reveal. The plan of the day has been, Crystal had to leave work early to then go and get supplies to decorate their cabin. So she's decorated that all Halloween-y and fairy and she's bought a big box and they've got 2 personalised autograph books that say Disneyland Paris, Parker and Mikey. Putting that all together, I'm going to give them this, which says, find the box and come back to us. It's upstairs, somewhere soft, squishy and cushiony. Whilst they're upstairs, I then have to put the code, which is my fairy code. So I'm going to put this in the bathroom. When they come down with the box, it's going to have this on the bottom of the box. They're not going to know what that is. So then I'm going to give them this, which says, find the code. It's where you wash your hands. So hopefully they'll know to go straight to the bathroom. And then once they found that, they then have to work out what it says. Find the key, it's in the cabin. They'll go to the cabin and they'll see it all mad. I really hope that came out. Once they find the key, they can open the box, and in the box will be this, along with 2 gifts that are wrapped, which they can't open yet. And then they'll open their little presents and hopefully be able to work out that it's Disneyland Paris. And then we have party poppers and confetti, and then we're going to blast out loads of Disney tunes, and it's going to be magical. And they've never been. Whilst clapping. And George is capturing it. So everyone's played a part. Everyone's played a part.
I got the party poppers.
Yeah, you did. Woo!
What are you watching?
I'm watching Teen Titans.
You enjoying it?
Yeah.
You're excited to watch the film, guys?
Yes! Can't wait for the film. I literally got soaked today. You're filming us in our house and my hair's like...
Don't open the fridge!
I've got water in the fridge.
Just don't know what to do with my hands.
In the drawer. Can't wait to watch the film, mate.
I know, I'm really anxious about the film.
I mean, what if they don't like it?
I mean, it's very unlikely that they're not going to like the film.
I feel like I've made the film myself from scratch.
Right? I know.
There's a lot riding on our
I know.
efforts.
Yeah.
Yes.
Really? I'll take your rubbish, mate.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Nearly.
Hey. I have something that I need you guys to do. Okay? But you got to work together. Read out loud what it says.
Find the box and come back to us upstairs. Somewhere soft, squishy and cushy.
Right. Go find the box.
What's happening the whole time? It's upstairs somewhere soft, squishy and cushy.
Somewhere in like a bed or something. Soft and squishy.
There's a box, remember?
We can't find it.
Might need some help.
Here.
Where is soft?
The beds.
Okay, beds. So you've checked all the beds. It's not in the beds.
Have you ever made a mess of it?
Parker has made a mess of your room. What's standing behind Mommy's door? The clothing thing and the
hamper.
yeah.
So are there any other hampers in the house which might have soft, squishy things inside?
Oh! Off you go, Scott!
Oh, it's a code. Look, it's the lock.
We found it!
There is something clever in there.
Ooh! There's a code. Well, then.
Find the code to where you wash your hands. Look in all the sinks.
I
Found it. Yeah!
Just translate the code.
That's it. So, do you want to work together as a team to work out what the code is?
Okay, Parker. If you work out that line, and I work out this area here, you work out that line.
don't get this.
So there's a symbol. See the symbols?
There's like a person.
Yeah, all the symbols. All these symbols match up to one of these letters. And we've got to try and work out what they say. Yeah, what letter is that?
It's written there.
I.
Yeah.
Here.
Keep on going.
This one.
So find there, and then we need to find the star. I'm going to flip for the star. And we know that that's there. Find it in there. Now the star.
From the beginning.
A.
Find the key in the cabin.
Right.
Get our shoes.
Yeah.
Hey, it's got I see spiders.
Ugh.
I see spiders.
And then we'll take them. Let's go.
Yeah.
To the cabin. Quickly, because it's raining. I don't know what to do. You've got to find the key. Can you please know how to box?
Yeah, of course you can.
There's another camera up there.
Oh.
It's just got like stuff on it. Oh, I found the key.
It might be.
Yay!
We've been walking past it the whole time.
Yeah.
It's teeny tiny.
Push it in.
This is.
Ready to go. Ready? And the code.
Right, can't open that yet.
Put that in there.
It's another code.
See the code.
Parker,
Yeah.
are you watching?
The movies are interesting though.
On the 30th. Look, you got
So
it.
this is the shape.
Need to find.
So far.
It says on the 30th.
Which one?
This one here is a squirrely.
What does it say so far, Parker?
On the 30th October.
That's it. It's amazing.
My name on there.
Yeah.
Sorry about all the uncapital names.
No, you're good. You're good.
I feel really bad.
No, don't.
On the 30th of October, Parker, Mikey, Mummy, Daddy,
It's a new word, is that?
Auntie Jen,
Whisking through that code. Yeah.
Missing.
The person who's missing.
Uncle George,
Holding the cat. There you go.
going.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Going.
On holiday.
Yeah. You can just write it out. That's fine.
Holiday.
Two. Dot. You got it. Now you can open your presents.
Yeah, in there.
We have to do it at the same time.
Yes.
Okay, so start
Read what it says on there.
What it says.
Cool.
What does it say? Where are you going?
Disneyland.
Disneyland!
Oh, wow. So they put your names on.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we need
Disneyland.
high fives. High fives.
Paris.
Yeah.
Make glitter angels.